is Srishti. My name is Tanvika. And this is the project of our ultrasonic radar sensor. This works with the help of a servo motor. Like now, this is the servo motor, and the servo motor will be turning in 180-degree angle. The one eye will be sending out the signals, and another eye will be receiving it. Now, when I keep the hand here, the signals will get rebound, and the receiving eye will receive the signal. And this technique is also used in military field. Like if you take your hand closer to it, red color will come. If you take it back, green light will come. So it will help in to catch hold of our enemies. Good morning, my name is Lishan.
My name is Jesta.
Today we are doing forest protection.
There are three senses. It's when you cut the trees and animals, it will sense. When you cut the trees, it will sense. You will get the alarm. And when the bomb or any fire exhibition came, see, fire emergency. Wait. Up. See, it came fire. It will send a message to them. It will send the message to the officers, and they will come and rescue. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nitin Abhinav and my name is Shwet. Today we are explaining about organic farming. Organic farming is a farming in which we will use natural fertilizers and natural pesticides, and it has zero waste. As you can see here, we will keep the hens, and below it we will keep the fish tank. So when the hen does the waste, that time it will go to the fish tank, and the fish will eat it, and it will get vitamins and minerals. So there is a profit for us also. Like we can sell the hen, meat or the fish, and we will get the profit. This is our windmill which generates electricity, and it produces electricity with the help of the wind. This is solar panel which generates electricity with the help of solar energy. And this is a cow shed which where the cows lives, and it produces milk and everything. And when the cow does the dung will get into manure. And as you can see here, we have put the cow dung manure. This is the jowar plant. So this is our agriculture drone. When it flies, that time it will take this bucket and it will pour water to the this jowar things. Now my friend Sonit will explain you more about the farming. Thank you. A rocket is a vehicle that carries payload to the space. These are the first stage of the rocket, then the second stage, then the third stage, then the fourth stage, and the payload ferry. There are three types of rocket. They are suborbital rockets, orbital rockets, and sounding rockets. I'm going to tell about the model rocket. A model rocket is a small rocket capable of 500 gram to 1 kg payload to space. A rocket needs a rocket engine to propel towards the space. India uses Vikas engine. Vikas engine is a hypergolic liquid fuel engine designed by LPSC, Liquid Propulsion System Center in 1970s. The design was based on the licensed version of the Viking engine. The engine used N2O4 and UBMC as a propellant oxidizer. The engine needs about 40 metric tons of UDMH and N2O4 for burning. The Vikas engine was invented by ISRO and Mr. Nambi Narayan, who played a vital role in inventing Vikas engine. It needs about 110 metric tons of propellant for burning till 200 seconds, and it can produce of 850 kilonewton force. This is the Sriharikota launchpad of Sriharikota of ISRO in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. We'll see what are these parts of Sriharikota's launchpad. This is the vehicle assembly building of Sriharikota, where all the parts of the rocket are going to be assembled over here and moved towards the launch pad. Where in the launch pad there will be a countdown where we launch the rockets to space. Satellites. Why are satellites important? Why are satellites important? Satellites are the small boxes which have electronics which are compiled to the mission control where it has a connection and it studies about Earth. You know satellite broadband? Satellite broadband is important to make any calls or messages towards any place in Earth. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
These are our future chains. Save the nature, save the trees. Use solar, make it pollution free. Warm and sunny morning. It's Sharadi and it's Sharadi. Our project is about solar cars and solar aeroplanes. So this is a solar aeroplane and this is a model of a solar car. A solar aeroplane is an aeroplane that works using solar energy. It works when the sunlight falls on the solar panels. There are photovoltaic cells in the solar panel. Solar cars are electric cars that use photovoltaic cells to convert solar energy into electrical energy. Thank you.
Ma'am, my name is Kahnavi SS of grade 7 rows of Entasas. Our topic is about affordable energy and we have chosen solar energy. This is Jeevita Nadika who will explain more about solar energy.
She is Kahnavi and Jeevita, she is
We use solar energy in everything. In some cities, solar energy is really popular, and in normal cities, electric energy is produced by non-renewable sources like fossil fuels, coal, and oil.
This is the solar panel which will absorb the heat from the sun. And I'm going to say that if we keep the solar panel near the solar energy, where we'll get, and this light is going to on to make sure that the solar energy is absorbing the heat, and the leftover solar energy will be stored in the empty batteries, and we can use in our day-to-day lives in the homes, hospital, and clinics, shopping malls, etc. Thank you. Ma'am, my name is Omkar. Today I am explaining about generating electricity from rainwater. When rainwater falls on the connection tank, it moves to rainwater harvesting tank. From there, it moves to turbine. Due to the force of the water, the turbine moves. The electricity is stored in a form of batteries.
These are our future chains. Save the nature, save the trees. Use solar, make it pollution free. These are our future chains. Save the nature, save the trees. Use solar, make it pollution free. These are our future chains. Save the nature, save the trees. Use solar, make it pollution free.